What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how I loose lace Jordan 3s. But before we get started, if you guys could, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. So the first thing I like to do, well, let me start off by showing you the shoe. This is the Air Jordan 3 Soulfly. Very, very nice shoe. Awesome looking shoe, especially me being a Hurricanes fan. It's a perfect shoe for me, my sneaker of the year. So the first thing I like to do is I like to get some rolled up socks, and with the tissue paper already in there, I like to go ahead and put that also in there just to give it some width here on the laces. Stretch it out a little bit. And I'm gonna stay with the white laces that it came with. So the first thing you do is go over and under. Pull it up just a little bit. Take the other side. And you're going to pull it through all the way and match up the tips. Doesn't matter which one is longer or not. When you pull them both at the same time, they will be equal. So you just pull them up. And your tips at the end are going to be equal length. Keep them a little loose. You can always tighten them. It's easier to tighten. And what I like to do is I like to go from this side over and then this side over, doing what I call the fat lace style. Back in our days, that's how we used to lace fat laces. We go over and in. Just make sure it doesn't twist and keep them fairly loose. Go with the next one over. If it does twist, just pull it out a little bit and pull it through again. See, this one's a little laced more than normal, a little twisted. Keep it loose. And you're just going to repeat the process. You can always straighten the laces on the way up, and we'll do it at the end again. You know, and take your time with it, there's no rush. You just want to make sure the laces are flat. Now at the very top hole, we're actually going to go normal style. We're going to go in and back out. Actually no, we're going to go one more over on the very top. Top. Out a little bit. Now at the very top hole, what I like to do right here is I like to go back out through the second hole. And that way it locks the laces in, so when you're walking, and if you walk on your toes, the laces won't come out. And this is pretty much the finished product that you end up with. So, once again, hopefully this helped you guys lacing your threes. Like I said, any way you lace them is fine. It's up to you. If you guys could just once again do me that favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.